boys and girls, it's Mrs. Pinkston, and I wanted to share a book with you today about numbers and counting, and then we're going to do a little bit of some addition. And so let's go ahead and jump right in. My book today is Cat Count by Betsy Lewin. Cat Count. I have one cat, a fat cat, a fun cat. I have one cat. My brother has two cats, true cats, wild and bubbly blue cats, fun of daring do cats. My sister has three cats, glee cats. Two of them are she cats, and the other is a he cat. My uncle has four cats, store cats, in and out of door cats. I know someone with more cats. My cousin has five cats, jive cats, very much alive cats. Count them all together. That's 5. How many cats? 15 cats. Graham has 6 cats. Fiddling with sticks cats, full of fun trick cats. My neighbor has 7 cats, revealing cats, prowling cats, and yowling cats, howling to heaven cats. My teacher has 8 cats. 8 cats, great cats, proper and steady cats, seldom ever late cats. The preacher has 9 cats, fine cats, really just divine cats, never out of line cats. Check that one out. The farmer has 10 cats, 10 cats, duck chasing and hen cats. Count them all again, that's 10. How many cats? 55 cats. But wait, there's a surprise. My fat, fun cat is no longer one cat. Add the new arrivals, that's, let's check it out. Remember there was 1, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 new additions. Too many cats. And that was Cat Count by Betsy Lewin. Okay, now I've got us a story problem, and I hope that you can see this up here. And I'm going to go ahead and read it, and then we're going to work out this problem. And you know, if you've got paper and pen at your house, if you want to go ahead and do this with me, you can just write it down, and we'll solve it together, and then we will see what happens. Okay, so there were 7 cats playing with some yarn. 3 more come to join them. How many cats are there now? So if we think about it, that's going to tell us, we want to know how many's in the group all together now. So we're going to think about, that's going to be our addition because our group's going to get bigger. So let's take a look at how many was playing with the yarn in the beginning. And that's 7. So I'm going to get my card and I'm going to go ahead and put number 7 in my pocket chart. And then we decided that this was going to be an addition because our group's going to get bigger. So there's our addition. 7 plus, and how many more came to join them? 3. So we have 7 plus 3. Oh, and we want to know that's going to equal. So 7 plus 3 equals, so boys and girls, fingers. Great way, remember, to use as one of our manipulatives is our fingers. How many were in the first group playing with the yarn? There was 7. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 more came, so I'm going to 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to count them all now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 7 plus 3 equals how many again? 10. 10. So here is my math equation to go along with my story problem. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed this today. Great way to turn around and work on our addition skills. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.